Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am very excited about this video because it is yet another Djerf Avenue haul. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I will of course first show you what I got and then I'll try it on and talk you through it. My package from Djerf Avenue finally arrived, and actually I ordered it in Bulgaria because I'm here now, and because I'm ordering it in Bulgaria I didn't have any additional taxes, which was a great hit. And let's open it. The most gorgeous color ever. I'll be wearing only that from now on. So it's the Djerf Avenue trousers and a matching Djerf Avenue blazer. It's the Forever Blazer but in a new color, and I ordered it a size smaller than my black one, and I've been waiting so long for this one. Not that long to be honest, but like I saw it off of Matilda Djerf's Instagram a while ago and I really wanted it, so I want it, I got it. In total I did get 2 items which complement each other perfectly, and one of the items are those gorgeous pants. So aren't they amazing? I have been waiting a while for them to launch and they're finally here. I actually wore them a few times already because I couldn't wait to create this video. They are just as comfortable as the rest of the Djerf Avenue trousers, and those are going to be my new go-to pants, to be honest. They do differ from the favorite pants from Djerf Avenue in few ways. The waistline is kind of the same, but the material, there's less material over here, so it is like a bit more fitted on the legs, but you still have that beautiful flare at the bottom. It's just less flare than the actual favorite pants, but they're still very comfortable. That's Charlie, so if he makes a noise, you know, like I have a dog here. The favorite pants are made to sit a bit looser, but these ones, even though they're like a little bit more fitted, they are still very comfortable because like the material is stretchy. I actually think they might be even more comfortable than the favorite pants. I don't know, I cannot decide. But let's move on to the other item. It's a little bit on the nose, but of course I had to take the matching blazer as well. So that's actually the Forever Blazer, which I already have in black, but it's in this beautiful greige color, and it's a complete set with the trousers, and it's amazing. Like the color is everything. From the creation of Djerf Avenue I have been waiting and hoping they are going to release something in beige, and in particular a blazer and trousers, and my wish finally came true, and that set is called Greige, so the Greige pants and the Greige Forever Blazer, and it's amazing. It is just as comfortable as the black one. However, I did get a size smaller because the black one I usually wear during winter, so I like to pop under a lot of layers, and this one is going to be my go-to for the summer. I just wanted it to be a tiny bit more fitted, and that's why I got it in a size smaller, so this is a size extra small. So yeah, that's what I got from Djerf Avenue, and now I will just like put them on and tell you what I think about them, show you how I look in them, and yeah.
Foggy glasses, all this emotion. Tried to tell her, but she probably didn't notice. She say she ain't got nobody. I said, baby girl, you're wrong. She say she ain't got no purpose. I say, what you on? What you on? Girl, you're wrong. What you on? What you on? Girl, you're wrong. What you on? Shawty was a brick wall. Over, under, through her, none of that at all. She needs to be knocked down and rebuilt again. Oh, maybe next fall she'll fall for somebody new. Maybe in June. your top, baby, day by day. I'll rub your spine, cause you got the weight of the world on your shoulders, and I say.
So now let's talk a little bit about the suit. As you know from the Forever Blazer, if you haven't watched my video, I'll link it over here or over here. I don't know which side it is. But yeah, it has like puffed shoulders, which is very chic. It gives it that oversized look and it goes with everything that I wear. If you want to see comparison between the two blazers again, let me know down in the comments. I'll probably do it anyways, but I just want to see if somebody's interested in seeing this. So the color of this blazer is gorgeous. It will go with everything during spring, during summer, during autumn, during winter. I am definitely sure that I will get the money worth out of it as well. First of all, the fabric is amazing and it does feel very nice and gently to the body. It does have a bit of elasticity and that's really good for the pants. As you can see, there's like a lot of space in them and my pants are a size small, just like my other trousers from Djerf Avenue. It does feel very nice. I showed in the clip like you can actually stretch this bit quite a lot, so that's really good. It's not gonna be like too fitted on you. The length of the trousers is actually perfect for me because it almost touches the floor. However, the Greige pants do come in two different sizes, like a regular one, which I'm wearing at the moment because I am 5'3", and they have another length which is like the Greige pants in a tall size. So if you are taller and if you want them to sit just as like long as on me, then you do have an option to order it as well, which is amazing. They developed this one constantly because first they came up with like just regular sizes, like one length for all trousers, no matter like the height of the people, and now Djerf Avenue has upgraded and they do create like different lengths, like the inseam of the trousers, which is amazing. I think that's going to be my favorite set of all times. And as you can see, I'm wearing old Djerf Avenue at the moment, and that usually happens on an everyday basis, and I do love how it combines with the tube top. This one is the lavender one. So darlings, that was everything from me for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and again, if you want me to make another video comparison between sizes of the Forever Blazer, let me know down in the comments. And if you're new here, I would love it if you can subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on my social media, which is this one over here. But you can also follow me on my Djerf Avenue fan account, which is this one, How to Style Djerf Avenue, where I do post different age groups. And yeah, I'm just obsessed with Djerf Avenue, and that's why I've created it, and you can see why I'm obsessed. Love you all, stay safe, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!